If you haven't been making profits from the recent market volatility, you are missing out on an insane opportunity to make money right now when the volatility is finally back in the cryptocurrency markets. What is going on, everyone? Crypto Ghost here, welcome back to the channel. Now it has been a while ever since I uploaded my last video about crypto. It has been about a year now, and I've decided to come back and show you guys how I'm analyzing the charts, what my views are, what is my game plan, and how I'm going to take advantage of the current situation and make as much money as possible. We are entering into a very interesting situation with the cryptocurrency markets, which I want to show you, I want to talk about, and help you guys make as much money as possible. To understand better what's happening now in the markets, we need to zoom out and analyze the whole picture. So let's start by looking what happened here. So we've entered into this bull phase in 2020. We've topped out around 69,000 in November of 2021. Now ever since, we've been trending down for a while now, over a year now, and we've went down quite a lot, about 80%, almost 80%. And what's interesting here is that for the first time in a very long time, we have a green dot that is both on Ghost Vision 3 and on Ghost Vision 2. So I'm talking about this green dot right here. So when I saw it, immediately it got my attention. Now let me show you why it's so powerful and so important that we have this dot on the weekly time frame. So right now I'm on the weekly time frame, and let's go back a bit. We are looking at May of 2020. Now if you notice here, what can you see? Green dot, Ghost Vision 2, and a green dot on Ghost Vision 3. The strength line here is curving up, and we have a green column. So what does it mean? It means that we are entering into a bullish phase. We have a momentum that is going from the bearish phase into the bullish phase. So we are turning bullish and we are breaking this trend line. So as you can see, there was a sideways action. The line is green, the line is red, the line is green, the line is red. And then when it's finally green and the price action confirms the trend line as support, we are off to the races. And you can see we've made a huge run to the upside. It's also important that you look what happened here. We have a red dot. Now a red dot is the opposite of the green dot. It's a bearish momentum telling you we are expecting the market to go down. This is the time where you should exit, because remember, markets are dynamic, they move up and down. Nothing goes up in a straight vertical line. And the indicator is here to help you understand where you should take your money and disappear. It's very important. You don't want to be sitting on a ton of profits and then watch them disappear, because the market will not go up forever. We have the beginning of what looks like a healthy uptrend. Now let me zoom into the daily time frame, and what I notice here is, notice on Ghost Vision 3 we have these icebergs. Notice how much strength is in this move. It's reached the level of 86. So we have here measures that go up and down, and it measures how strong the move was. So this move right here that we had recently went up to 85. When is the last time that happened? You see, it doesn't happen so often. So it definitely caught my attention, because this move, the last time we had it, October of 2020, this was the time when the bull phase started here. And the bull phase, now it will not last forever. So if you don't take action now, right now, you can miss out. So how long did this last? 170 days. So now if you haven't taken a position yet and you want to go into the market, let's zoom in and take a look at the 4 hour. So the 4 hour, the best time to enter was right here. When we came to touch the trend line in the middle, this was the perfect time to enter. Okay, but if you didn't enter then, and you're still outside, what you should do, right? So we zoom into the 1 hour, and from the 1 hour I can tell you that is also a good entry right now. So if I wasn't on any position, looking at what I see now, I would definitely enter already. So for now I'm bullish. And what I think can happen here is either we consolidate in this region, maybe we go down to 22,500, consolidate in this region, and we start going up, or we go down and we confirm 22 as support, hopefully it doesn't break, and from here we start to go up again. This will be very unlikely, but it is also possible, because I want to tell you everything. I want to tell you what can happen in the best case and in the worst case. So in the worst case scenario, this could be a similar situation that we had right here in March. So we had one weekly candle close above, and then we closed below the trend line again, and guess what happened? We went down like crazy. Be prepared that this is either was the bottom and now everything will be fine, we'll start going up and we'll be off to the races, or this could be a similar situation that we had right here. Now, me personally, I do not think that we'll see what we saw right here. Why? Because taking into an account the market sentiment, when people say, oh, it's not enough, we haven't seen enough dump, means they're wrong. The crowd is always wrong. Always bet against the crowd, because the crowd is always wrong. We've also kicked out a major fraud from the market, FTX, and we see a lot of bullish momentum in the technical analysis. So this for me says this is the perfect time for you guys to be buying in. But if you have a small account, as I said before, I would be focused more on increasing your small account, because if you haven't been here when the money was easy to make in alt seasons, for example, now it's the time for you to act. You have to act now, because if Bitcoin is going sideways like it did for the past 3 months, no money to be made from November, December, January, nothing. Here from August till November, no activity, sideways action. You cannot trade a market that is not volatile. You can only make money when the market is volatile. Now, enough rambling. We know what's going on with the charts. Now what I want to show you here, guys, our new re-released website, ghostvisiontrading.com. This is the only place where we give access to Ghost Vision. So let's see what we have. Explore Ghost Vision. So we have Ghost Vision 1, 2 and 3. This is the standard indicator. It's best used for technical analysis and swing trading. Now there is a new edition, and the new edition was made specifically for day trading. So you will find all the information you want about the indicator on our website. And for Ghost Vision 4 and 5, I would record a separate video, because this is even a harder tool to learn than the normal Ghost Vision. So Ghost Vision 1, 2 and 3 is excellent if you're a beginner. Ghost Vision 4 and 5, just to master it properly so you can start trading. I'm talking about making good trades, being a profitable trader. You need at least a month just to study these two indicators alone. But what I will tell you is there is nothing that comes even remotely close to Ghost Vision 4 and 5. In fact, we've been thinking we should even share it with you guys. But we said, you know what? Let them have everything. We'll be giving Ghost Vision 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 for a price that even if you work as a barista in Starbucks you can afford. I don't care if you're a high school student, anyone can come up with $247. And you will get access to all of our tools that me and other professional traders use worldwide daily and make money with it. And you can choose if you want to try it for a month or if you want the lifetime membership. To anyone who wants to learn how to trade, who wants to try the way we trade and use the same indicators that we do. I have people who DM me and say, I've lost money with other indicators. Now that I found Ghost Vision, it's the only tool I use for making technical analysis, for doing swing trades, and I'm very happy. If you put in the work and you study and you try, and I'm not saying that it's a magical indicator that will blow up your account and will print you money. That's not what I'm saying. You sit down, open a demo account, put in the work, do it for yourself, do it for a month, do it for 2 months, and see if that works. If it works for you, it will change your life like you've never imagined before. So if you want to see the indicator in action, there is also a video here. So you can play the video and see how the normal Ghost Vision works, which is what I would suggest you to do if you're just starting out. Now let me give you a sneak peek into Ghost Vision 4 and 5. Now guys, this is an absolute beast. This is something unlike you've ever seen in your life. This indicator, it will give you instant market feedback before anything is about to change, okay? Now a note here, it's best used on the smaller time frame. So I'm talking about 5 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, nothing more than that. Okay, so I'll be recording a separate video because it needs a lot of time and explanation. There's a lot of stuff going on here, a lot of lines, and this might look like super weird what's going on here. That's why I'm going to record it on a separate video. Make sure to visit the website and sign up, and I will see you guys inside. For now, take care, leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more technical analysis about crypto. Trade safe, be happy, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.